Hello,
Hello.
Kilo.
I was just texting you because I entered
Uh-huh.
and the clock started ticking, and I was like, oh no.
Uh-oh. Ahmed minutes.
Yeah, sorry. I'm new here. How are
I know.
you?
I'm good. I'm having a really a beautiful morning. It's sunny and cool weather
Oh,
here. Um, can you imagine it's like we are in type of February, but
yeah.
some people you can see them like turning on the AC. Can you believe
Oh,
that?
okay. Because it's winter, right?
It
Or
is winter,
it's
yeah, yeah.
the end of winter now. Almost
Um,
autumn?
it's actually February, and we have 2 months left for the winter, you know. But actually,
Oh,
yeah, the weather, it's like sunny. You can see
yeah.
the sun. It's like close to us.
Oh
We love
no.
Iraq. Like she says, I love Iraq.
Yes. A little bit too much in the summer though, right? The sun loves Iraq a
You,
little bit.
I thought it's a good idea to turn on the fan, and then I said
Mm.
no, maybe I get cold, so let's be like this.
Yeah, and you went with a jumper, a hoodie.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, you look
Uh,
cozy.
Kind of. Actually,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm comfortable with it, but
yeah.
uh, maybe if I wear short sleeves, I guess
Mm.
I will get cold. So it's like confusing. If you wear
Yeah,
like short sleeves, like you would get cold, okay?
yeah.
So if you wear hoodie, you will feel hot.
Mm.
So it's confusing, see?
Yeah, you need a hoodie and a fan.
That would be crazy.
Or like a short sleeve and gloves.
One day, I was at my store, and the weather, it's like normally like here in Iraq. Sometimes it happens like you can't tell what the weather is. Okay, so I
Mm.
was sitting at my store, and I was put on jacket, but
Yeah,
the fan is on.
yeah.
And one of my customers came and said, something, it's like really weird here. I said, what? They said, like, you are wearing a jacket, okay, and you're turning your fan on. I said, oh man, yeah. He says, yeah, I understand.
Yeah, balance. Yeah,
Exactly.
I get
What
it.
time is it? What time is it for you now?
It's 7 p.m.
And
Monday.
what time?
Is it Monday
Mo-
there?
It is Monday, yeah. It is
Oh,
like
okay.
it's morning Monday.
You're starting Monday now.
It
Yeah.
is 7. Okay, so what time do you go to sleep?
Mm, I normally I like to go to sleep early, like
Hmm.
9:30. But
Hmm.
now I wait for Marcio and he works late, so he gets home at like 10:30, 11. So yeah,
Hmm.
sometimes 11:30.
11:30. Uh-huh.
But that's
You know,
not my vibe. I like
uh,
early bedtimes. I early
I
wake up.
I know you. Yeah, you like to
Yeah,
wake up like at 4, at 5, and still it's fine with you, right?
yeah, exactly.
Actually,
Yeah.
yesterday I ate my burger at 11:30.
At night for dinner.
For dinner, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I saw your burger on Instagram.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and I
Yeah.
couldn't sleep because
Oh,
it was like a really heavy meal for me,
Mm,
and
mm.
that's why I stayed up for at 3 a.m.
Really? Oh, wow.
Yeah, I slept like that, like this, you know.
Yeah.
I
With the full
didn't
belly.
I didn't lie down. I couldn't, you know,
Oh, you slept like sitting up,
like
like just
just like
leaning
this,
back.
leaning back. Yeah.
Oh,
See?
oh. Must have been a
Oh my.
big burger.
Actually, I picked up, you know, like small one, but
Oh,
it is heavy.
yeah, yeah. A burger is a burger.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, what do you think of my new screen?
Yeah, I was thinking, what room is this? I haven't been in this room before.
Yeah. I thought I sent you the video. I was
Um,
remodeling the whole house, you know, the
oh,
guest
okay.
room, the kitchen, okay, the hallway, everything. But then
Yeah.
I remembered like why Kelly didn't say anything about the remodeling, and then I checked
Rude.
yeah, I checked the conversation. Man, I didn't send her like the video. I
Oh,
sent the video
oh,
to Jim, you know. So
oh,
Jim,
okay.
started like a conversation about that, and
Yeah.
then I figured out that she has right because I didn't send her like a video.
So this is the same room, but it's like just different.
It's like it's yeah, my guest room here where I like
Oh.
have my students here, and I
Mm.
replaced the background. I like purchased this interactive screen. Um,
Oh, yeah, that's the interactive screen. Oh,
exactly.
I thought it was a TV.
No, it's
You,
not a
you
TV,
told me about this screen. That's so cool.
but it's like it can be a TV after like classes.
Oh.
I watch Netflix.
Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
So,
you can use it. Yeah.
sorry, did you paint the walls?
I
Or this
paint,
isn't a
yeah,
room,
I
but you
paint the
did?
walls, but I kept that
Oh.
color because I really like it.
Oh, okay. No, I think I'm thinking of a different room, and the walls are black or like dark, some dark green.
You mean like upstairs? Yeah, yeah. It was like my office. Yeah.
Oh,
Mm.
with the
Now,
neon lights
exactly. Yeah. Now
and
I
effervescent.
turned. Yeah, yeah. I remember the neons. Actually,
Yeah.
no. I turned my office into like let's say like a room game for my kids, you know.
Oh,
I made like a setup for them. So they use
yeah.
the console, PlayStation,
Oh,
and
oh,
also a big screen.
yeah.
They like the lights. It feels
Yeah,
like they are
perfect.
YouTubers, which is like
Yeah.
kids nowadays obsessed about this stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Nice.
yeah, I made it for them.
Oh, nice. So you're downstairs now.
I am downstairs. Yeah.
Cool. Very nice. It looks very nice. It looks very
Thank you.
inviting for your students.
Yeah, yeah. Like yesterday, I had two classes on the screen, and man, like I really like the experience because I was using my whiteboard and I
Um,
was like write everything, every single
mm,
sentence, questions, and sometimes we have like story time. So I need to like provide um, at least 10 questions. Okay,
yeah.
and when I say questions, like questions, you
Mm,
know,
that's a lot of writing.
and then write the answers.
Yeah.
And imagine if you have like a class after class, like straight to, yeah, I like.
Yeah.
Thankfully, I didn't burn out.
That's good.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
yesterday, like when I started like teaching on the screen, oh my goodness, I didn't like feel like I am tired, you know,
Mm,
because it's
that's so
already
good.
there. I just
Yeah.
like marking or like paint something,
Hmm.
highlight something here or there, and
Yeah.
wow! And my students actually liked the idea, and I had them on screen, like
Yeah.
to do like their assignment, and they
Yeah.
liked the idea too.
Yeah, I bet. And it's something different,
Exactly.
interesting.
Hmm,
Yeah.
hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.